This is mean mutter. I love that pun. And the foreseeing of bringing manufacturing back to us 50 years ahead of Apple. And the 70s-ness of it. All that ivory, yellow, orange, and red stripes. But I did something different. I created a set of new liveries, which involved a stylization of the van, some floral patterns, splashes, a mean animal and a hot girl. Fairly trendy kind of graphics, at least for the time this project was made. Except, now looking at it, I feel having an image representation of the van on the van is a little redundant. It's like me having a tattoo of me, which is better illustrated in this instance of a polar bear having a shade of him on his hair. Redundant, but I didn't know I would feel this way in the future. Like the fate of the other 34 or 5 projects going alongside this van, I paused in the midway, wrapped it and shipped it to my new place where I finished the final assembly of all projects. There, I furnished the interior with pages straight from Graphic Design magazine as wallpaper, and concluded the whole things.